For this video, I'm going to show I'm going to show the ExpressRoute. I was debating whether to make this an overview video or just creating one, but I guess it's going to be creating. So ExpressRoute is, how you connect your on-premises environment, infrastructure, whatever you want to call it, to Azure Virtual Network. And, normally you use IPsec, like in a site-to-site connection but companies could use ExpressRoute if they don't want to have to rely on the internet where there could be latency issues or whatever. And so ExpressRoute just uses Azure's backbone. So basically you have your own dedicated, service, your own dedicated route. So, you can have your customer network or your company network, and you want to you want data to flow to the Azure Virtual Network. We'll use ExpressRoute, and it uses Microsoft's backbone network, so it's a lot faster. Now, ExpressRoute's not only for kind of like a site-to-site connection. It's not only for the virtual network connection. It's also for platform as a service services like storage account or SQL or Office 365. And anyway, so it does all this not through the internet like normally it does through IPsec, but it does it through something called a ExpressRoute circuit. And then inside the ExpressRoute circuit, you create peering connections, and it's either private to the Azure Virtual Network, or public, which is the storage account or the Azure SQL database or Office 365. So when you actually do it, you could either choose a dedicated connection or one provided by a third party. And the third party provider is known as the partner edge. And anyway, so the connections, there's two of them. There's primary and secondary connection, and that's just for high availability. So you use those connections, and that connection connects to the the partner edge network, and then that connects to the services that you want, either the public ones I was talking about, the storage account, whatever, or the private Azure Virtual Network. So if you choose ExpressRoute Direct, where it uses Microsoft's backbone, it uses global network, then the connection provides 1000 BPS. But if you choose a connectivity provider, you could choose different bandwidth options, 50 Mbps or 100. There's different options, and there's different billing models. Oh wait, when I said that the ExpressRoute Direct, it's 100 gigs per second. So anyway, back to the different billing models. You have one is just unlimited data, so you just pay a monthly fee. That's your billing, and you have unlimited. All inbound and outbound data transfers is free. And then the second model is meter data. So all inbound data transfers are free, but you're charged for outbound data transfers based on the size, gigabytes. And then the third option model is premium add-on, and here the ExpressRoute circuit can be created in any region, and it can connect the resources across any other region in the world. So I decided actually I'm just going to make this an overview video. So for the next video, I'm going to actually create the ExpressRoute circuit, but they're for like big companies, and I have no need for doing it. So I'm just going to create it. You don't have to pay for that or anything. But after you when you have the option to choose direct or provider, you have to contact them, and the provider will have to accept the connection, but they only accept the connection if you have the required hardware in place, which I won't have. So anyway, that's ExpressRoute overview.